a bit of liquid clear. There you go. Let's start with some Indian yellow. Now I'm going to come quite a nice bit of this. Now, crimson and the red. I'm going to grab a little bit of that and just brighten this crimson up. Well, let's put some of this on. Let's go with some crimson around this side here, and a little bit around here, somewhere just creeping around here. Got some Prussian blue here. We're going to put this all up here. I'll pull this blue into here, down here, across here. Just pull this into there, right? Just pull this in. Pull that yellow back into there. Mix them up just a little bit down there. Some titanium white. I want quite a bright spot here, so we're just going to put some paint on here. I'm going to go somewhere around here. I'm going to build this sort of colour up. Okay, let's go somewhere like that. Things here and there. That's going into that blue now. So yeah, let's blend. We're going to start on the yellow. I'm going to blend this out. We're going to make a nice little glowy sky over here. Okay, let's go over this side first. Going to stain in that crimson. Going to come somewhere down like this. Look at that little sky there already. I want this brighter here. Like that. See, now that's made that brighter. We've got a few more little sort of cloud things going on there. Bring this over here. Look at that. Sort of wispy little cloud things. Maybe you can just make out the shape of one up here. Some little wispy shapes and things going on. Okay, let's go around here. Starting at the base of all that colour. Look, see? Look at that sky just happening. That's going into that Prussian blue now. There we go. Look at this beautiful sky. It's just happening. It's forming in front of our very eyes. And then just, so from about this area, just going to pull down with this colour. And you see that that's picking up all them colours on the actual board. Might be a good idea to stay sort of in that crimson and yellow first, so the colours stay there. And because I've got blue down here, so we can go something like this. Yeah, I can do space paintings. Right, I'm just going to go somewhere like that. Now, I'm just going to continue this, because we're going to blend this out anyway. Into that blue. Pull this colour down now. I'm going to stay in this sort of light colour first before the blue, and then we're going to blend them out. Just trying to keep somewhat of a straightish line at the top there. Right, now I've done that, I can concentrate on this blue area, and then we'll come back and mix the two together, because that's going to bring some of the blue up, obviously. Okay, we're going to pull this down, bring in some of that little bit of blue up there, just having some fun with some colour. Okay, we've got all that beautiful colour now coming down. Now we're going to go across and change this into water. Right, we're going to go across here and make this into water. There we go, and just blend that off very lightly. Got all that colour going on. This is Bob the Brush, and this is Brenda, if you haven't met them already. Whew. Always happy. Whew. Let's nick a bit of this crimson. I'm just going to make a dark colour, a little bit of black, of blue. And maybe we'll have a little hill that sort of goes up. There we go. Just a a nice little tree line. Loading up the fan brush, making sure it's nice and sharp, just like a nice little tree line. Just lift up and you get all these little trees that are there. This down here, we'll come put a water line on. Pull this down. I'm going to just slide this across now. Get this on the end of your palette knife. Come down here. Just some taps here and there. See? Brush, but I like to use the big one and just catch like just one sort of hair and get that out there. There we go. And it comes just in front there. I can just create this to come all the way down here. This is laying out obviously the actual painting itself. And we'll just come somewhere down here and comes back in like that. It comes out and comes round a bit up the other way with the fan brush. And look at all these, look here, all these little things you get poking up, little bits of bushes. Because it's close by, you're going to see bits just poking up and a bit coming across here, bits here and there now. Just tapping a bit of colour. A little bit of colour on with the palette knife. We'll come back and we'll just put some bits there, and then we can come back and just pull them out. Right, okay, just by going across we can just make that all watery there. Just some little glistening bits, you know. Right, a little bit of blue. And this that makes it quite a nice sort of darkish green. That's quite nice, but I think we'll go with that. That's quite nice, to be honest. Looks quite nice. That little texturing going on there. This is just going straight on top of that wet paint. We'll start coming up and putting all these little things in here. See, all these little grassy areas and just putting that there. That's nice because that's kind of catching that light as it comes across. There we go. Just put all this in. This is bigger. We can go bigger down here. It's closer. See. And then we go. Little things here and there. Okay, we're going to come around here. Okay, something like this here. Just here. We're going to pull this down. Pull this down here. Go across again, just to make that reflection. We'll just scratch a little sort of water line around there. Pull this out, look. Water's just coming around there. Just a little bit of greenery on there. Dark colour there. So let's go with one here, just a little cluster. We'll just have one there. Nice little tree that lives there now. Just a touch on there. Touch of colour. So we can have one that lives here. A big one. It's a bit thicker down here. Becomes something like that. Give him some feet there. Around here. Some little ones that would be over the other side maybe. plan takes you, let it go. This one is for sale, guys, if anyone wants to buy it. Yeah, we'll have some. And we're going to go here. Going to make that a little bit thicker there. Some nice trees. Here we go. Here we go. Sun set on the lake. This is 347. 347. 347. There you go. But yeah, go and have a look on the website, guys, if you want to. Thank you. Brilliant live as always. Thank you. Enjoy your ice cream. Yeah, I will. Yeah, crazy dog. Have a look on the website though, just here, because you'll see lots of stuff a lot cheaper. There's loads of my work cheaper. And of course, you can order prints of any painting. So you can order a print of this one. If you want a print of this one, send me a message. Right, guys, I'm going to go. Thanks for being here. Thanks to everyone that's tapped the screen. Thank you for the 8,100 likes. Thank you to the gifters. Mills, thank you for doing the poll tonight. And lovely to see you all here. But I'm going to go. I will do want one of your paintings. Crazy dog, that'd be amazing. Any questions, you can feel free to ask me anything on TikTok. You can send me a message or via the website. So yeah, and I'll get back to you. Right, guys. Laters potatoes. Look after yourself. Have a nice sleep. Have a great day tomorrow. Behave yourself. And I'll see you all when we're a little bit older. Good night, everyone.